In this video, I'm going to show you whether YouTube TV offers unlimited DVR and how it works. The good news is that YouTube TV does provide an unlimited DVR feature as part of its standard subscription. This means you can record as many shows, movies, or live events as you want without worrying about storage limits. Once you record something using the DVR feature, it will be saved for up to 9 months in your library, giving you plenty of time to watch it before it expires. Another great advantage is that recordings don't count against your storage, so you can keep recording new content without deleting older ones. To use the DVR feature, simply find the program you want to record in the YouTube TV app or website. Click the record button, and it will automatically save for later viewing. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV's unlimited DVR works, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.